Okay, so here is the interior. It's still somewhat daylight out. I just got off work. I drove pretty well the equivalent distance to this point. This is pretty much the exact same spot. I think I'm like 30-40 yards away from where I was originally. But anyways, I'm going to take you the way that I did whenever I had you on the back of my car for the exterior exhaust, the after stock, or after the exhaust has been done. I had it in manual mode, so hopefully this is going to work out and not be, all over the place. But anyways, it's been almost 4 minutes, and that's pretty close to how long it took me to get the camera on and get back in the car and get it started. I think it took pretty well 5 minutes, but this will give you pretty close to what it sounds like. You will notice that at certain RPMs there's a drone in the car. The back seat is probably twice as loud as where you are in the front seat with me. It's substantially louder. The car also gets louder when it's under a load. So when I have 2 or 3 people in the car with me, it's significantly louder on acceleration than it is with just me. And I found that out the other day when my mom and girlfriend was with me. We was going to a birthday party. But yeah, it's got a drone. If I let off the gas or I'm just cruising, which I'll show you a bit of this, the noise essentially goes away, and I think in the exterior it does the same thing. So the clock just changed to 5 minutes, so let's start her off. And I won't be talking through this, so you can get a fair assessment of the volume. Alright, so that's that.